Ayan. Umpisa na. Si husband nagkukuskus na. Nagpuprosin yung sasakyan. Good morning guys. Ito na kami dito. Magpuprosin na. Sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig. Nigas yung kamay. Oh my goodness. Hello guys. Good morning. Good afternoon. Ayan nga, papunta kami ng Asian store. Magbili kami ng Filipino food. Ang ganda ang weather ngayon. Super. Yeah? Very nice weather, huh? It's not raining, not sunshine. It's normal. Normal weather. Going somewhere.
At masarap talaga guys sa pakiramdam pag mag-YouTube. Kaya maging parte kayo ng YouTube, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Hindi ka magkikita agad-agad.
Yes.
Darating ang araw.
Walang traffic. Ito ang paligid ng Leaf. It's part of Leaf. Huh?
This one?
Ah.
This is Leaf?
Oh, Leaf.
Guys, sabi na baba. Ayan.
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah. Not much traffic, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Ayan na. Kulimlim kasi malamig. You open the heater?
Yeah.
Okay. Nandito na kami sa Filipino store.
Turn around.
Ayan, ayan. Ayan, Pilipino ang may-ari.
Tina, it's
Ayan.
Thai.
No, not Thai. Filipino. Ayan talaga ang sinasadya namin pumunta dito, guys. Ayan. So, bumili ako ng rice ito. Rice. Tapos mayroon silang lahat. May cream silk. Lahat nandito na. Hello guys! Karating ko lang galing work. Ngayon may natanggap akong may natanggap akong sulat. Ayan. Ito pa. Titingnan ko kung anong laman nito. Okay. Open. Can you open?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wait. First this one.
Yeah. And you read? And for what that?
Enter Premi.
In years premium. So, how much?
400.
475 point 8 cents. Only that for my years premium? Oh my goodness. In a 1 year ang trabaho ko, sa 1 year ko, yan lang ang bonus binigay sa akin. 475.
Not 4.
Yeah, but only,
But you have to bring
how come? They sent back?
and sign.
Ni send back?
Yeah,
Need to
I
send
think
back? Ayan. Ganyan dito. Makatanggap
And
ako
this
ng
is for
in-years
the-
premium.
And this is for the syndical Premi.
Syndical, for what?
They're going to pay you also, eh?
Social pound. Yeah. So, they send back again?
Yeah. Both to send back, eh?
Yeah. So how much I received? 120 plus 475. So 500. Oh my, 600. More than 600. Yeah, 600 euro. Guys, tingnan mo, makatanggap ako ng bonus. 400 and then sa government nila dito. Ayan, ito pa. Pag nagtrabaho ka, makatanggap ka ng ganito, 120. Tapos ito pa, makatanggap ka pa ng, ayan, katanggap ka ng 475. And what else? Oh, I have money coming. What is that? For Easy Life? Am I? Oh, I have certificate. I have inspector. Inspector of the house cleaning. What is it? Hintay mo na tayo kasi hindi ako marunong magbasa sa kanilang language. Pinabasa ko sa husband ko kasi nga hirap basahin. Ngayon nakatanggap ako ng sulat ng galing ng government. May bonus akong matanggap. 2 yun. Tapos ngayon nakatanggap na naman ako ng isang sulat ng certificate galing ng trabaho ko. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong sinasabi. What is it? Work giver.
That you are employed from 17.4. It's not true, it's 17.5.
Yeah, I starting 5, but I in there 4. And then, what they said?
And then they're saying that you're delivering full time. And I think wel, deze sector onder diensten die noodzakelijk zijn voor de bescherming van de vitale belangen van de natie. That's it, I think. They're going to lockdown now.
I locked out?
I think, eh?
Me?
Yeah, I have to ask her telephone here, and I have to ask her what's going to happen.
What's happening?
Hello, I think. I don't know exactly,
Maybe it's failed.
but I think lockdown.
Ah, okay.
Yeah? This is interest premium.
And the other one is backbone.
Yeah, backbone. So they're going to pay you from 412 and interest and the backbone also, I think.
Backbone is every, but that is for Easy Life.
Yeah. You are employed by Easy Life.
Oh, okay.
Your email and your first your telephone number and then your email and then your bank number, date, sign.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. And the other one? The other one?
In a moment. I'm scared.
Oh my God! Makatanggap ka ako ng pera, pero nakatanggap naman ako ng pangbayad ng tax. That is for
You have to show them like that, huh?
That is for tax. Bill for tax. Oh my goodness. I don't like to see it.
No, me neither.
Oh my goodness. May natanggap naman akong pera, tapos mayroon ka naman natanggap na bayaran ng tax. Oh my goodness. How much? Oh my God! 70,000 in peso. Oh. Ang tax ko sa isang taon. 70,000 peso. Oh my goodness. Man. And for you? Why they put my name?
They not
Sa
put your name.
Sa akin pang pangalan.
Ah.
Victoria.
They not put your name. They put both names.
I'm thinking for me only.
You may pay.
Oh.
Only.
Oh my God. I pay almost 900 euro. Oh.
No.
Yeah. 900 euro in 92 cent. 92. 890 Activarian inbox. Ayan guys, ito ang buhay ng Europe. Nagkukuskus ng kasilyas tapos ganyan ang matanggap mo. May matanggap ka naman, may kulang pa pang bayad ng tax. Kailangan talaga pag may sahod ka, kailangan mo mag-save ka para pang bayad ng tax every year for the tax. Ayan nga, malaki nga sahod every month, pero doon ka naman sisingilin sa
It has to be paid before
year.
24/12.
Yeah, you pay tomorrow, ha? There's no problem. So, magbayad na kami bukas. You pay here, this reckoning number. Yeah? So, I will transfer money for you, 900. So, you send. Bye-bye, 900 euro. Finish my money. No more money. Kailangan talaga mag-ipon dito para pangbayad ng tax. Tapos, ayan nga. Pero sa amin na palang dalawa. Sa amin ang dalawa ng 900 euro. What is that? And then, katanggap ako ng bonus. Ayan. That's it. And what is that? I want to open again. Want to open. What is this?
I think it's for my heels.
For heels? You ordered for the heels?
Heels.
Here. Nee, because we saw. Nee, love. What is that? Mayroon siyang natanggap na. Mayroon akong natanggap na package. Tadang!
That you ordered.
I'm not ordered. Uy, what is this? Hindi ko nga alam ano to. For the meter, for the line. I like that. Same the whim. Pag straight ka ng yeah? Because they have water. You order this one. Where you order this? The lifetime. Paano pag-open nito? Not light. Same the way. I think put the battery here. Huh? And ting line that. Okay? Nagbili siya ng pang line kung trabaho ng bahay. Huling ko to sa Pilipinas.
Need to send?
Yeah, you take my money and you send, huh? Yung ipon ko, pangbayad lang ng tax. Sige na, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.